Today is a bathroom tour, and I'm going to show you guys pretty much what I have in my small bathroom and where I got it from, because you guys asked me tons of questions, so I figured I'd make a video and answer. But yeah, if you like interior design that is catered to small rental spaces, then keep watching and consider subscribing. I want to show you guys this little area right here. This is one of my favorite little areas, and this is very inexpensive actually. I purchased the shelf here from IKEA. It's only about $6, and then I also got these little hooks from IKEA as well, and those were, I think, a pack of 4 for $4 or $5. And it's just another place to store things like necklaces or, you know, robes or towels, whatever. And it looks visually pleasing. Next, I have this diffuser, which I purchased from Marshall's, I want to say, but I really like the style of it. So it's more so decorative, even though it does keep the bathroom smelling good. I purchased this really cool picture or framed quote, and I just like that it says, "Make today so awesome that yesterday gets jealous." And I really like that next to my cascading plant that is also from IKEA. You guys are going to find that this is the IKEA corner. I love IKEA. You will soon find out how much. And then if you come straight down, I have my bench, which I absolutely love, from IKEA as well. I'm going to have descriptions and links to everything that I'm showing you guys. But this is from IKEA, and I spent $35, but it's so worth it. Having a space to sit in the bathroom is just so important. And so I like to sit here when I finish getting dressed, or, you know, if I'm brushing my teeth and I'm tired. It's just nice to have the space here. And it's literally right across from my cabinet. So on this side of the wall, I have the little DIY wall hanging. And if you guys saw my videos before and I referenced it many times, you know that I was bored one day and I just took apart a shirt that I had and went outside and found a branch and created this pretty much for free. And I really like the design of this triangle with this circle. It gives me like a Scandinavian feel with the cascading plant. And the reason I put this little mirror here is mainly for functional purposes. And if you guys actually want to know why I have this here, it's really because I can't see. Your girl is blind. Can't see that good. So this mirror, this little circle mirror, is from the Dollar Tree, and I put it there because the vanity is very deep, which is not a bad thing because it gives me more storage, but I don't like to lean over and try to get closer to the mirror when I'm doing makeup or putting in contacts. So I just found this mirror and I put it on the wall using some command strips, I think, and I was able to get a nice little, you know, little shindig. So when I'm doing my makeup, boom, this is my mirror. All right, good people. So basically up here is all of Bay's stuff, right? So this is just a Lazy Susan that I got from the Container Store, and all of his stuff is up here because this is where he can reach, and it's really easy to access. The second shelf is where I keep all of the face towels, and this comes in handy because I am one of those people that always jump in the shower and forget a towel, and so I don't have to leave out of the bathroom to get a body towel, and I can just grab one from right here basically. So it works. And I found this at Marshall's, I want to say, it's back in the summertime. I have another one too that's in my other bathroom, and this was what, $6. So yeah, I really like this a lot. All right, so the next shelf is where I keep my makeup, and you guys are always telling me you should not keep your makeup in the bathroom, and I hear you, but I'm gonna keep my makeup in the bathroom. I don't recommend other people to do it because it might break you out, but I don't have those problems, thank God. So I keep my makeup in the bathroom, And this is like my everyday makeup stuff. I put makeup on pretty much every day, even if it's a light face. So having my makeup close by is very important. And having my lens cleanser for my glasses. Pretty much my everyday makeup is in here. I usually don't keep my brushes in here though. I just straightened up, so I didn't feel like I didn't put them back in there. But I usually keep my makeup in here, not my brushes. And then my contact stuff over here. Now, so now come down here. This is my stress relief candle, and I got this from Marshall's for $7. This little glass jar is from the Dollar Tree, and I just have like some, you know, Epsom salt and bath salts in here. Yeah, I have that, and I want to get a top for it, but I haven't used these actually. I haven't had time to take a bath. Been running like a mad woman with her head cut off. In here is all of my hair accessories, and then I'll have all of my headbands, and this is from Amazon. I think I showed you guys this in an Amazon haul that I did. If you guys are interested in watching that video, I will link it somewhere in here. Alright, so yeah, just more clips and whatnot for the natural hair and all of that good jazz. So that is what's in there. Boom. I'm a headband girl. Alright, so down here is these little baskets that I got from IKEA as well, which I freaking love. I've had these for probably 4 to 5 years. Came in a set of 3. I can't remember how much, but I'll try to link those in the description box also. But this is where I keep all of my palettes. All my palettes go here. Makeup remover wipes go here, and yeah, that's pretty much what goes there. And then just slide it down here. The last shelf has this one, which is the big sister to the other one, and this is where the poopery and the baby wipes go. Yeah, I think I told you guys the prices. The only thing I didn't know the price of was the gray things, but I'll have it in the description box. So as you can see, everything in this bathroom is fairly reasonably priced. That's why I tell you guys, I got you. And then on the bathroom toilet, so over here on the toilets, I have this really pretty basket that I got from IKEA as well, with a little fake, I think it's supposed to be a fern, little fake fern. I love to add a splash of greenery where white and glass is. I don't know, it just does something for me. So I have that there, and I have the mirror here, and this mirror was $12.99 from IKEA. I want to say that this was like $6. This might have been like $6 or $7. So very inexpensive, but it has a high impact. So a lot of people ask me, where is the garbage can? But where's the garbage can though? It's right over here, right? And the reason I put the garbage can there is because initially I had it over here where the bench is, but it didn't serve any purpose. It was like purposeless for sure. So I got a smaller one, which is from IKEA as well. And then I placed it over on this side because if you're using the bathroom, you know, and you need to put anything in there, panty liners, you're blowing your nose, whatever, it's just right there. So it just made more sense to go there. As it couldn't go on the other side because this is where the shelf is. So it was just some strategic placing, but it made a lot of sense. So moving on to my shower curtain. This shower curtain is from Target, and I got the curtain rings from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of the two. And I love this shower curtain because it's double, it has those double hooks. So the shower liner is on the other side, which is also from Target, and it just really plays into the shower rod. And if you guys remember on the bathroom upgrades video, I used some rust remover to restore this little shower rod, and it still looks silver, which I'm happy about because it was very, very, very rusty. Now you guys know I have a mold problem, and it didn't come back with a vengeance, but you know, it's not as white. Cleaned the tub out and like resurfaced it, but it's not giving me creep vibe. I'll let you see it. So this how you know we real close, y'all, because when people come over, I don't even open this. I keep my shower curtain closed, but we like family. All right, so this is the shower caddy which is from Target, and this is Simplehuman. I really like it. I got the new shower head from Amazon. This is probably the most expensive thing in this bathroom. Kid you not. This thing was $70. It was $70. But I like it. And I like it because it houses everything. It has a little drop-in, so if I need to turn a product upside down, like this, it has like a little area for that. I don't know, I like it. And little hooks and things like that, and it can be adjusted and all that stuff. It's just simple. I don't know. Don't judge, I just like it. The shower head was only like $9. So, yeah. But this will come with me. So, the reason I purchased this, actually I remember, the reason I purchased the Simplehuman is because it has a 5-year no rust guarantee. And I feel like I never keep a shower caddy more than 3 years. So I have my receipt, and if it rusts, it's definitely going to get replaced. The next really cool thing in this bathroom is actually my favorite. So this light here needs to be changed out. Let me see. It still works, but it's usually brighter than this. But I've had this here for pretty much, 6 months? Almost 7 months. And it still works. It tried to get corroded a little bit, but when stuff like corrodes, I just get a little bit of vinegar and Q-tip and sizzle it right on off. And that's what I did. Haven't had any problems. But this light makes my bathroom feel like I'm in a hotel. Kid you not. I freaking love it. I showed you guys what the floors look like already in another updated bathroom tour. So I'm gonna link that video if you want to see how the floors have held up, because it's like a peel and stick marble. And the floors were only, I think I got 2 packs, so the floors were a total of $48. So if I have to add all this stuff up, I'll tell you guys how much I spent on this bathroom at the end of the video. All right, that is my bathroom tour, guys. That is pretty much what I have put in this bathroom to get it to look the way it looks. I think everything in here is super affordable. Any cheaper than this, let me know, because half the stuff is in here from the Dollar Tree as is or free, with the exceptions of a few things. So if you guys are interested in learning how to decorate for your space, whether it's a starter home or if it's an apartment, and you want to know step-by-step techniques, where to buy things, how to get it all done within like a few days to a week, then consider joining my membership, because I'm going to be spelling everything out for you guys. Here on YouTube, I show you guys what I'm doing, but I don't tell you how I'm doing it. And trust me, there is a little bit of method to the madness to come up with the game plan for your space, because every space is unique and different. But even like, you know, when it comes to proper hanging and stuff like that, I can give you guys some tips that I promise you haven't seen. So if that's something that you're interested in and you want to learn more and you want to work with me and get your place up to, you know, your liking, then consider subscribing as well as joining the membership. I will have links to the waiting list, or if we are live at this point in the video, I will have a link to the membership so that you can join and start fixing your space. I mean, because no matter where you are right now in the world, you gotta love your space that you're in. They didn't lock us in a house. Ain't that something? So what more a better time to make a space that you love, especially your bathroom. So, and also in the description box below, I'm gonna have a free bathroom checklist. If you guys do sign up, I'll give you that for free so that you can start to get your space the way you want it to look. All right, guys, as always, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my little bathroom situation. And hopefully you guys can do the same. If you use any of these products and you create your space, definitely share with me over on Instagram. I always like to see you guys' progress. Makes me feel good. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Later.